Hi guys, it's lunchtime. Let's eat. So for today's lunch, I made me a tuna melt on a wrap. I started out with a packet of light tuna. I added nature seasoning. I love dill salad cubes, and I have about a teaspoon and a half of mayo. The cheese I'm going to use is a spinach artichoke Gouda cheese. I love this cheese. It is so good. And for my wrap, I'm going to use a carb balanced spinach herb. I love these wraps because they are high in fiber and it's only 60 calories. So let's put our wrap together. I added about 3 pieces of cheese to my wrap, and I also added my tuna. Now let's wrap. I am not the best at making wraps, but hey, it's still gonna be edible. Now it's time to place the wrap on the stove and sear both sides. I have it on medium heat. I also sprayed my pan with some extra virgin olive oil just to make sure it has a nice crispy sear on it. And here's the finished product. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And you know I had to do it. I love me some cottage cheese. It is so yummy. And also, I'm drinking some Florida's Natural Premium Passion Fruit Splash. Delicious. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.